We will have a massive problem with inflation very soon, urged the biggest reset author, William Middlecoop, emphasizing the gravity of inflation and currency debasement. He said that the fund managers looking after all this money can't ignore it anymore. So it's going to get very interesting. The pension fund started building its precious metals exposure back in October of 2020. The company said it reduced its bonds exposure by 10%, investing half of the proceeds into gold and the rest split between equities negative yielding and all these pension funds. They own so much bonds and now they have this problem to make enough returns, especially now the inflation is hitting us. So they look for an inflation hedge and they look for a till risk hedge, and then you need to look to gold. There was a very small pension fund of the glass manufacturers. They chose to invest 30% of their assets into physical gold, and then the Dutch central bank contacted them and ordered them to sell their gold position. They had to bring it down to 3%. So this shows that the central banks, they all have joined the forces in the last decades to fight gold. Because if you start fleeing towards gold, it's a vote against the international monetary system. Basically, it's a vote against the dollar. The global bull market is 120 million. If you look at the world gold markets, that's about 10 trillion. But then let's look at the total new bond issuance worldwide. Yearly is now 30 to 40 trillion worth. The value of world's gold mine production is only 200 billion. So the bull market is over 100 times larger in new issuance. So if more and more pension funds will start to flee towards gold. We have seen the situation in the last 10 to 20 years, and that the gold bucks and some of the smart money. They understood why gold was a great hedge in your portfolio. But the institutional money never arrived, and now we see, and that's what is the revolution. Now we see a break of the system. We had a pension fund in Ohio as well. William says that on the website of the Dutch National Bank, there was this growth. It is removed now. But last year, there was this quote that we will need gold to restore faith in the international financial system when things break down. William adds up that since the pandemic hit, many things have changed within our industry. It's clear to every fund manager in this industry and even also in the pension funds that the amount of money debasement currency basement is incredible. It's 5 times compared to after Lehman. So William concludes that it's clear that the inflation started. We will have a massive problem with inflation. Central banks don't dare to say it yet, but look at what happens in industries. Double-digit price gains and the fund managers looking after all this money. They can't ignore it anymore. They can't ignore the currency debasement anymore. They can't ignore the inflation anymore. The world's yearly world gold production is only 200 billion. We are discussing a system in which hundreds of trillions are need to be investigated to get any returns, to pay future pensions. One day we would arrive at this point in time where gold needs to be revalued and reintroduced into the system, because the market forces will push gold much higher, not $1 or $200, but $1,000 to $2,000 to $3,000 as per William. This gold market could really collapse under the incredible amount. Now the silver dealers are being swamped with just retail demand, so central bankers might feel the need to revalue, got to a much higher level to get rid of retail demand and to only use gold within the institutional parts of the system, central banks and institutional investors. At the end, William says that we could see much higher, substantially higher gold prices, where it would make it impossible for smaller investors to be buying gold, because that's what they want to get rid of. That's what they would want to flush out. If you look at the current debasement of money and the current rate of inflation, and if you look a few years ahead, it's quite clear that something needs to be done. Otherwise, so many people will lose trust in the currency fiat money system. Central bankers understand this, and to avoid that, we could reach the start of hyperinflation. They can always bring gold back into the system, revalue gold, add gold to the SDR. Then they can rebuild trust in the system. But they will only do that when there's no way out, says William. Now, I have a question for you. What do you think? Is William right or wrong? And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and wait for our next amazing video. Till then, bye bye.